With the Ninja Foodi Power Pitcher system, you can truly do it all. Not only can you make your favorite perfectly blended drinks like smoothies and margaritas, but you can also create perfectly thick, spoonable textures at home, like creamy smoothie bowls, nut butters, frozen treats, and more. The Power Pitcher system comes with a 1400 peak watt base, which is compact and fits great on my countertop. It looks great too. Next is the 72-ounce Power Pitcher. This revolutionary pitcher is a blender, a smoothie bowl maker, a food processor, and a dough mixer, all in one. With 2 interchangeable blades, you can use this pitcher to make a variety of recipes. The total crushing and chopping blade can be used when chopping veggies or when blending frozen drinks and more. Use the dough blade for batters and cookie, pizza, and bread doughs. This blade mimics the kneading motion that all your favorite baked goods call for. Along with the Power Pitcher, this system comes with a 24-ounce Power NutriCup and spout lid, which can be used to blend single-serve drinks like smoothies, extractions, and milkshakes. Also included is a 14-ounce Power NutriBull with a built-in power paddle and storage lid. Using this bowl, you can create things like smoothie bowls and nut butters. And with the help of this power paddle, you are able to power through frozen ingredients with less liquid as you push them down towards the blade while blending. And these hybrid edge stainless steel blades, which can be interchanged between the Power NutriCup and the Power NutriBull. And lastly, a recipe guide for added inspiration to get you started. The Power Pitcher system is powered by Smart Torque, designed for heavy ingredients. This allows the motor to maintain its speed to deliver uninterrupted power and performance, meaning no stalling, stirring, or shaking while your drinks blend or your dough is processed. The Power Pitcher system also offers total speed control. You can control the speed and texture of every blend, so your results are just how you want them every time. It comes with 10 manual total speed control settings that allow you to adjust the blade speed to exactly the right amount for your desired texture. When using the Power Pitcher, start slow, speeds 1 through 3, to better incorporate ingredients and prevent them from sticking to the sides. Low speeds are great for chopping veggies and mixing dough. Smoother blends call for higher speeds. Ramp up the speed from low to high for purees and dressings. Also included is Ninja's Auto IQ technology. Choose between any of the preset programs and the machine will control the motor speed, length of program, and unique pausing and pulsing pattern to deliver you a perfect result hands-free. When using Auto IQ mode, the unit will identify whether you have the Power Pitcher, bowl, or cup installed, and only the preset programs available for that container will illuminate on the control panel. For more recipe inspiration, join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook and visit us at ninjakitchen.com.